Well, hello and welcome to this course. Phil and I are ecstatic to have you here. Are you ready to make some websites? Now, I just want to cover really quick what we're going to go over in this course so you know exactly what you're getting into. We are going to be teaching you how to make websites. And how are we going to do that? We're going to give you 3 basic skills. Now, the first one is HTML5, the next is CSS3, and the last one is Bootstrap. And you may not completely understand what each of those are, but we're going to take a section on each of those topics, make sure you have the fundamentals and groundwork there, and then we're going to take all 3 of those things, combine them together, and start making some real websites that you can use for your own portfolio or for your business, whatever it is that you want. But by the end of this course, you'll know how to make some awesome looking websites. So if you're wondering, this course is for the complete beginner. If you have some coding background, whatnot, all the better. But if you're an absolute beginner, feel comfortable, you're in the right place. I'm a self-taught developer. I know what it feels like to start from absolutely nothing. Phil comes from that same background, so we know how you feel, and we're going to make sure that you're taken care of here. Now, I do have 3 tips that I'd like to share with you so you can get the most out of this course. And number 1 is I want you to be curious. It's really easy in an online course to just sort of get into follow mode and just do exactly what the instructor is doing and sort of shut off your brain. Try to avoid that as much as you can. If you're ever watching something that I'm doing and you sort of have a thought like, oh, I wonder what happens if I do this, please pause the video, go try it out and see what happens. When you're curious, inquisitive, and sort of doing things on your own, that's where I think the real learning takes place. So be curious. Go out and try things on your own. The next thing is I want you to feel free to ask questions. This is a very open community that Phil and I have here. There's no such thing as a dumb question. So if you have a problem or whatnot, please post it in the video that you're having an issue with. We're going to be there to help you. Other classmates will be there. You might even find the same question that you have someone else already posted, and there's an awesome answer there for you. But please, don't be afraid to ask questions. And the last thing is that Phil and I really value your feedback. We put a lot of effort into this course. We wanted to make it one of the best courses you've ever taken. That's what we're hoping for. That's the aim. So when you're prompted for a review, please let us know what you think about it. We really, really value that. It means a lot to us. Okay, well, enough with my yik yak. Let's go ahead and dive into what we're going to need to start making some websites. We're going to install some tools, and then from there, we're going to start learning HTML5. Let's get to it.